Okay, first graders, do you remember what a related fact is or what related facts are? Let's look at that really quick and just remind ourselves before we start into today's lesson, okay? So remember that if we have a fact family, I'm going to turn it this way, okay? So if I have a fact family and it's maybe the 7 family and its members are 5 and 2, then I can use these 3 numbers and only these 3 numbers to write 4 math facts, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So I can do 5 plus 2 equals 7. And because I can add in any order, I can also say 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then if we can add to create 7, then we can also take 7 apart. Okay, so 7 minus 2 equals 5, or 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay, notice that when we did this, the whole stays the same, whether we're talking addition or subtraction, and it's the parts that are switching places. Okay, so when we are talking about related facts, we're talking about facts with the same whole, whether it's addition or subtraction, and the same parts, but that those parts can swap around and change places. So let me ask you really quick, if I have this fact family, the 7 family made of 5 and 2, and I write the fact, the math fact, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Is this math fact in the same family? No, okay, it is not the same family because in this math fact, the whole is 9, where these, the whole is 7, okay? Yes, they both have the same part of 2, but in this math fact, 7 is another part, not the whole, okay? Notice there's no 5 in here at all. So for facts to be related, they have to have the same whole and the same parts. Okay, so let's look at some problems together and decide if these are related facts or not. Okay, I'm going to start with something a little simpler. We're going to do 5 plus 5 equals 10. We know that one quick. It's a doubles fact and a 10 buddy. So we should know that one really, really well. Okay, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, again, we can take the 10 apart, break it into 2 groups of 5. What if I have 10 plus 5 equals 15? Well, we know that's true because 5 can bump out the 0, right? So those are some quick math facts we know. But which one does not belong? This one. How do we know? Because in this one, 10 is a part and 5 is a part. 15 is the whole. This one, we have 10 as the whole, and this one we have 10 as the whole. 5 is a part, which matches here, but that's the only thing that matches. Yes, we have a 10, but in the first 2 problems, the 10 is the whole, where here they used 10 as a part. So this math fact is not related, but these math facts are related. They have the same whole and the same parts. Okay. Let's do some more addition and subtraction. Okay. If I write down an addition fact, 8 plus 2 equals blank. And I write down a subtraction fact, 8 minus 2 equals blank. And I want to ask, are these facts related? You can pick yes or no. I'm going to make a little box where you can make a check mark. Okay, so looking here, what is 8 plus 2? The sum is 10. Those are 10 buddies. What is 8 minus 2? 8, count back 2, 7, 6. The difference is 6. So looking here, are these related? Yes or no? No. They have one of the parts that's the same, but here the whole is 10. Does that match? Nope. It does not match the whole. So while one of the parts matches, the whole does not. So we know that these are not related. And then, of course, 8 and 6 don't go together either. Now, let me go back to what it was to begin with. We saw 8 plus 2. We saw 8 minus 2. Now, if you just looked at it here, you might have picked yes, because you see an 8 and you see a 2 on both of them. That's why it's important for you to find your sum and your difference before you pick whether or not they are related facts. Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do 9 plus 5, 14 minus 5. Yes or no? Are they related? Okay, how many people pick yes? Raise your hand if you think these are related. Okay, put your hands down. Raise your hand if you think no, they are not related. Okay, put your hands down. Let's find out. 9 plus 5. Well, if it was 9 plus 1, it would be 10, and then 4 more, because 1 and 4 make 5. So I'm going to break my 5 apart into 1 and 4. 9 and 1 make 10. 4 more, bump out the 0. The sum is 14. Are you still thinking your same answer on yes, they're related, or no, they are not? Let's keep going. 14 minus 5. Okay, well, it's very easy to take away 4, but then I would need to take away 1 more. So 14 minus 4 takes it down to 10. 1 more takes it down to 9. Again, I ask, are they related? Yes, we can see the whole on both of these is 14. The parts are 5 and 9. So it has the same parts and the same whole. So these are related facts. So as you're working today, make sure that you are checking and looking for your sums and your differences. Don't just find one of them and guess what the other one is without doing the work. You want to find both answers so that you can see all the parts and the wholes and know for sure if your facts are related or not. Ready? Happy learning!